This is my friend Andre and his monster e-bike, but this bike hasn't always been like this. We built this bike a couple of years ago. It was a huge and exciting challenge for us, but somehow we made it. A couple of weeks ago, Acomile asked me to make a video showing their e-bikes conversion kits, and also how fast and easy these conversions can be done. After a quick YouTube search, I found many videos like this, so I decided to step up the challenge and do not convert a normal mountain bike, but instead convert a huge and complex custom bike. At this point, I couldn't think anyone else better than Andre and his monster bike to make this conversion. So let's get started. Here is the bike before the conversion kit installation. When we decided to convert this bike, we had some concerns about this kind of e-bike kits. We had some questions like, will the mid-drive motor fit our custom frame? Do we need to make changes to the frame? Where can we install the battery? How can we install the battery? What about the brakes? Do they have motor inhibitor sensors? How can we hide the cables? Bafang 750 watt conversion kit. I received the Bafang 750 watt mid-drive kit with a 48 17.5 Ah battery pack and all the necessary parts and tools for conversion. It even comes with zip ties to convert any bike into a powerful e-bike. If you're keen to install it on a normal mountain bike, for example, it can be installed in less than 30 minutes, with just a few tools and no mechanical skills. By the way, I will add all the tools you need to make the conversion in the description text below, with a very special promo code for this kit. Removing the crankset. Let's start by removing the left crank arm using a crank arm puller. Now we can remove the chain wheel on the other side. We will need the puller tool once again. We will need a bottom bracket extractor to complete our task. These are very basic steps. Apply a layer of any lubricant to remove the dirt. Mid-drive motor installation. Next, we will have to add the 4x4 tooth chain wheel to the Bafang engine. It comes with a chain guard, but we won't install it. Tighten the M6 bolt and the mid-drive is ready for installation. Push it in place. And secure the motor with Y-shaped motor mount bracket on the left-hand side of the bike. Install the M6 bolts using a 5mm Allen wrench. Then comes the grey lock nut with the flat side facing the bike. The indicator arrow should go clockwise. Tighten the lock nut with the provided wrench. Now we install and tighten the outer black lock nut with the same wrench used before. For the speed sensor, we will use a cable extensor. This bike is too long to use the original cable. To find the right spot to fix the sensor, use the small red LED indicator light attached to it. When the sensor detects the magnetic field, it will blink the light. Installing the battery. First, we need to decide where it should be placed in the frame. The battery installation for normal bikes is very straightforward using the water bottle mount. But we will have to create our own mount support. We are doing this conversion in the garage with just a few tools, so the new support must be simple and efficient. With a hammer, we will shape the new mounting bracket. It will require some holes and cuts as well. We will use a plastic mounting ring to provide extra support to the battery plate. Done! The battery fits perfectly, without any change to the frame, and the painting is kept intact. Display mount. For a normal bike, this step shouldn't take more than 2 minutes to be done. But for this bike, we will have to customize it as well. We have found a very simple solution using a spare piece of metal. It fits the display well and places it exactly where we want it to be. Tighten the controller and the thumb throttle in the handlebar. The Bafang kits come with two brake lever replacements with motor inhibitors, so when pushed the motor will be cut off. Replacing the levers is very simple. Unfortunately, we can't replace the right brake lever with the new system. After contacting the Acomile support team, we were informed about the brake sensors option, which can be installed on hydraulic brakes. Installing the brake sensor is very simple. Add the provided magnet inside the brake lever and adjust to the right location using the brake signal shown in the main display. Cables. The monster bike is almost ready. Now it's time to connect and organize the cables around the frame with the provided zip ties. Let's speed up the video a bit. Acomile will send this bright LED headlight as a gift for all BK42 followers. The installation is very straightforward and the light power is excellent. Done! The bike's ready to roll. The Bafang mid-drive kit is very easy to install. Even in such a complex custom bike, it was very straightforward. The custom supports that we have to create took a lot more time than the installation itself. We will run some tests with the bike and soon we will work to hide the cables inside the frame. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, comment and subscribe. Ciao!